Hey you guys, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. My name is Ashley. Today we are over at the other house doing some landscaping. They're inside working right now. They got the flooring done in the master bedroom. Hopefully they'll be moving on to the kids' rooms, and then we are going to be doing landscaping. We went to Lowe's and picked up a ton of palm trees and just tropical looking flowers because I want the backyard to look like a tropical oasis. Like, I want it to feel like we are on vacation whenever we walk out to the pool. So we are planting the palm trees and everything along the back wall of the pool cage. And we are gonna paint that wall, but we don't know if we wanna paint it white or wait when the entire house gets painted, because we wanna paint the entire house, but we don't know. I think we're going with a light blue. But I don't know yet. So we don't know if we want to paint the back white. I'll show you what we're doing so far though. Planted along the back, and the guy at Lowe's said that they will give you your privacy because they start to spread out, but you can also cut them down if they get too high, because I don't want them to block the view of the water from the pool. I want to be able to look over and see the water. So those will be nice when they start to grow, and apparently they grow super quick. So by like the middle of summer, I'm sure they will be up a little bit above the bottom of the screens. But they look good so far. I love the red mulch with that bright green palm tree, and then we are getting rocks to line it to go around the mulch to hold it in, and then we just have to paint that back wall because it looks terrible right now from just the storms that we get here in Florida. Just put mud and everything on the back wall, and it has just stained it. We gotta paint that. We should have got the paint while we were at Lowe's, but we were just indecisive on the rock, and then we know what color paint we want for the back wall, but we were like, we'll just get that when we get the rock. So we probably should have painted it before we did the mulch, but we're very impatient, so we just wanted to get the landscaping done. So we're going out front now, and we got 2 palm trees to plant out front, and then we also have another one that we are gonna put. There's like an ugly bubble window, like from the 70s, in our bathroom. So we want to put a palm tree in front of that to kind of cover it until we can replace that window. So, but then I don't know what window I want to put in it because it's right up against the bathtub. So I don't want like just a window you can see through, because then all the neighbors are gonna be getting a peep show. So I don't like the bubble windows though. So if you guys have any recommendations, let me know in the comments below, like what you would do to replace this ugly bubble window. I have a huge plan for this bathroom because it has so much potential, but it's so ugly right now. So we're gonna go plant these palm trees really quick, and then we will probably go get the paint and everything to finish the back wall. And then we don't really have too much to do in the front. We just have the palm trees, and then we got some tropical plants because I just want it to be super tropical and bright palm trees and just tropical colorful plants everywhere. We just got that palm tree planted, and then we planted these 2, and then we're taking out that in the middle, and we have some colorful flowers that we're gonna plant in the middle, and they're out back, so we just have to bring them out here and plant them, and then we're just gonna get mulch, and then, no you don't. Okay, so the flooring in the master is done. I think all that needs done in here is the baseboards need painted, and then blinds, but I love this flooring. It's kind of like a mix between gray and a natural wood, and then the closet has not been done yet. And I think all of the rooms have been painted, and then this one is Briley's room, and the flooring was started today, and I think they're finishing it tomorrow. And then that one has not been started yet, so it's coming along. Cabinets, they're getting redone. They were white, and I think they're just gonna get a fresh coat of paint, because it's like this cheap, I don't know how to explain it. It's like this cheap wood right here. It's not even like real wood. So they took all of that off, and then they're gonna redo that just until we can actually completely redo this kitchen, because I have big plans for it. Because right now I'm not really loving the setup of it, I like how this looks over and you can see the water and stuff. And I want to take this complete thing out and just kind of redo it and just have the entire house open. But I don't know how that will affect like cabinets and stuff, how we would do that. So I don't know, I guess we'll figure that out when we get to that part. But it's coming along and it's looking so good so far. These are the plants that are going out front. I just love the colors. I don't know if I should put them in a planter out here or go plant them out front. I am putting this one in a planter and it's gonna stay in this corner, and then I have some more gonna go over in that corner once everything gets done in here. But I really like these tropical colors back here, so I might plant these out front and then just get some more for back here to put in planters. But planters are so expensive, and Home Goods and TJ Maxx is not open right now, so they're so expensive at Lowe's and Walmart. So I might have to just wait until Home Goods and TJ Maxx opens up, and I'll just get some more of these and put them in planters out here. The kids are playing hide and go seek. I'll do a full home tour when we move in. That's not the right light. Where's the light? So this is the shower, and I'll tell y'all later like my plans for all of this when I don't have the kids with me because they're being super loud right now. Good morning, you guys. It is another day of landscaping. We went and got some rocks to finish the back wall, and we got the paint. We are gonna be painting today. Painting this back wall, and then we got these to go along the back of it. I think all that white is gonna look so good.